All right, so if you've been following along, I just got done painting my foyer. Next up, we need to get the trim back up and get this project wrapped up. Today I'm going to start out by pre-painting the 1x4 trim that we're going to be putting up, make it a little bit easier once it all goes up, so I'm not trying to cut in around the floor and all that kind of stuff. Go ahead and get started with this. Hopefully we can get 2 coats on today and start painting. For the first coat I did, I used just a regular brush. While I was waiting for this to dry, I decided to run out and pick up a roller designed for cabinet and door painting. It says it's supposed to mimic the look of how an air sprayer would finish. Kind of hoping that it gets rid of some of the brush marks and puts a nice smooth finish on it. And we'll see if that happens or not. So far, I think it's going on a lot quicker, for sure, and using a lot less paint somehow to do that. So keep going, we'll see how this looks when it dries and let you guys know if I like it or not. Worst case, put a third coat on real quick with the brush. Alright, so there you go. Got a second coat on all 8 pieces. First look, it looks like it came out pretty good. You can still see some of the brush marks from the first coat. I don't mind the brush marks at all, just trying to figure out a way to do it a little bit quicker. I don't think this is all the trim that I'm going to need for this project, so I think with the next batch after I get this put up, I'm going to try rolling it twice and see how that comes out. And if you guys have any tips or tricks that you like to use, let me know down in the comments how you like to paint your trim, what you've had work. This is what I'm trying and what I've done in the past. Not saying it's the best way, but it's the way I know how. All right, so now that we've got the trim all painted, going to start measuring it up here and getting the trim on the low stuff done, and then we'll work on the window upstairs and see where we get. Alright, so I think we finally got this project mostly wrapped up. Got the trim up on the window here, down on the door and around through the stairs here. Did come out pretty nice when I rolled it twice. That's definitely not a bad way to go. I think I do prefer having the brush marks in it though, so yeah, don't know which way to tell you to go on that one, but should be moving on to bigger and better things now.